Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account directly from the mobile app. Start by opening the Instagram application on your mobile device. Tap on your profile image at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. Here, you'll find various settings related to your account's privacy and control. Under Account Settings, look for Personal Details and click on it. Within the Personal Details menu, tap on Account Ownership and Control option. Here, you'll see the options to either delete or deactivate your account. Click on it, and now choose which account you want to delete. Click on Account, select Delete Account and continue. Instagram will ask you for a reason why you're deleting your account. Choose the most appropriate reason from the list provided. And continue. For security purposes, you'll be prompted to enter your password. After entering your password, confirm that you want to delete your account. Remember, once you confirm the deletion of your account, Instagram gives you a grace period of 1 month to recover your account in case you change your mind. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted along with all your data.